Welcome back to GearUpWindows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to check when to replace laptop's battery on Windows 11 or 10 PC. For this, first click on this one Start button in the taskbar and type CMD. In the search results, right click on the command prompt entry and select here Run as Administrator option. In case Windows prompts, click Yes. In the command prompt, you need to copy and paste this one command that will be available in this video description. After pasting this one command, press enter on the keyboard. This will generate a battery report. Copy this one path and then open any web browser and paste it and then press enter on the keyboard. Now go to this one section, installed batteries. Here you will find design capacity and full charge capacity. In case full charge capacity falls below 50% of the design capacity, you should consider replacing your laptop battery.